welcome to my channel, Explore with Micah, Live and Love Life. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the different pastries and biscuits that we received from the Christmas bundle of joy. Most of them I never tried eating, only this one, the Bolo Rei, as this is very typical during Christmas. And I'm also excited because most of them are from different regions here in Portugal. In addition to that one, it's also very good to know which food products or pastries that you can bring to your family, friends, and colleagues when you visit here in Portugal. You somehow bring the flavor here. So what are we waiting for? Vamos comer! Butikau, butikau, dili batikau. Oh my god! I will eat first the Bolo Rei. Come on, let's try eating this Bolo Rei. See? It's very delicious. The dough is not that sweet. The toppings, the dried fruits and the nuts, plus the confectionery sugar is the one that makes the cake sweet. It's very good to pair with the espresso. Oh man, I can finish this entire slice. Bolo Rei, or Cake of Kings, or Christmas cake, is a festive cake in the shape of a crown that is part of the Portuguese tradition. Round in shape with a large hole in the center, it is made of a fluffy white mass mixed with raisins, dried fruits, and candied fruits. In the past, inside the cake there was also a dry bean and a small toast, usually made of metal. Whoever found the broad bean in the slice he ate would have the duty to pay for the next king's cake. On the other hand, if he found the toast, the person who have it would be treated to good luck. Next to try is this one, Maria. I'm so much excited. It's very creatively made. It's very small. It's a bite size only. It's very crunchy. I can feel it melting into my mouth. I can feel some sugar granules, but it blended very well. This is very bite-sized. I can finish this entire jar in a day. Okay, there's still more to try. I have to reserve this one. This tiny biscuit is called Areinhas Biscoitos. Areinhas in Portuguese means small or fine sand. Portugal is blessed with 948 kilometers of Atlantic Ocean coastline. Much of the country enjoys a temperate Mediterranean climate, and it boasts some of the finest beaches in Europe. No wonder why they created a snack that is as fine as sand, that is simply irresistible. The next one I want to try is this Biscoitos de Maça and Canela. They are very nicely packaged. I don't want to throw this paper out. Let's see. They are in heart shape. Even more. They're a little bit tough to bite. What a tough heart. But The flavor of apple and cinnamon is there. I can feel the powdered cinnamon flavor. The smell also. It's very nice. Because this one is tough, I will just dip it in the coffee. I don't want to lose any taste.
Biscoitos de Maça y Canela is inspired by a traditional Portuguese recipe created from the most delicious apple and cinnamon. A classic flavor that results from picking the best apples, adding a pinch of cinnamon, and all care and dedication that will remind you of memories that stay with you for generations. Perfect to savor anytime with the most special people.
Our next victim will be this one. Broas de Mel, the honey syrup biscuits of Madeira. Let's see. Oh, they're also packaged, but they're not in hard form already. They are round, like normal cookies. But let's see. Okay. They are crunchy, but not tough. Not that sweet also. In balance. It's not like your typical cookies. I'll try to reserve this one for afternoon snacks.
Broas de Mel, or the syrup biscuits of Madeira, is based on the honey extracted from sugarcane, a species introduced in Madeira around 1425, and is part of the history and culture of the island. The biscuits are made from a family recipe with more than a century, thus maintaining the tradition between generations.
There's the top three. Who do you want me to eat first? I want to reserve the Coração last. Okay, I will eat these crackers. Just to change the flavor, it had been very sweet already. This is made out of Queijo, Tomate, and Manjericão, or with basil. Oh, it's like eating pizza, but crunchy. Oh, it's so much nice. See, there is some cheese spread all over, but it's already crusted. Oh. Can I eat this the entire day, even lunch and dinner? Less sugar, less fat. I guess it's fine. It also has less salt. It's very nice. It's like pizza.
If you are on a diet but wants that pizza, this cracker is your cheat. No to boring snacks and yes to a healthier one. Indeed, Portugal has a well-balanced options for you.
Now we're run down to our top 2 pastries in Portugal. It's as if it's like Miss Universe, no? But I'll put this one as a winner because it's very nice. It's chocolate also. So I'll eat this Queijadas de Graciosa first. Okay. Aww. Queijadas de Graciosa are like stars in the ocean. Oh my god, they're so much delicate. Are these foods? Let me take a bite. Oh my god. This inside are very soft. Oh my god. I want to become an animal. The crust is nice also. They're not sweet. Not at all. This interior somehow reminds me of Vienna. The flavor is like that one. But more soft. Oh my god. It's like very dreamy to eat this one. I don't understand. I don't want to wake up also. It's very nice. Well, anyhow, thank you, Miss Graciosa. It's very nice to meet you. But I have this in the end. It's the jewel. Croissant de Viana. Let's try.
Queijadas de Graciosa is a regional sweet of Graciosa Island in Azores, made with local produce and with roots in the most authentic tradition of the Azorean sweets. In the past, it was a specialty dominated by many housewives of Graciosa Island, and it never missed in any party or family reunion.
Now I have this, the Coração de Viana. It's very nicely shaped. It's very delicate. There's even like a shape or some drawings of flowers and grounds. Oh my god, this is too much creative. I don't know if it's full chocolate. I don't really know how to eat this one. Should I only take a bite? Should I slice? How? Well, anyhow, it seems like hollow inside. Maybe I just need to take a bite. Maybe this is just pure chocolate. Here. It's chocolate. It's melting in my mouth. Very nice. It's hollow inside.
This chocolate is designed based on the Coração de Viana that symbolizes a dedication of worship to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. It was when Queen Maria II, who was grateful for the blessing of having been granted a male child.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's very fun and interesting for me to know the flavors, textures, and pastries and how they were creatively prepared. This somehow shows the Portuguese people for its love in arts, tradition, and religion. And when you come here in Portugal, please don't forget to try at least 1 or 2 pastries. It will never fail you. And bring some for your families as well. And lastly, I'd like to thank you for sticking with me till the end of this video. Please share this to your friends, families, and colleagues. Explore with Micah, and I will share with you more interesting videos about Portugal. And if there are topics that you want me to share about home, lifestyle, and travels, please let me know. Muito obrigado. Thank you so much. Boas festas. Happy holidays. Adios.